Howdy, welcome to the channel. I figured I'd do a little walk around with Grasshopper 718. I know sometimes you look online, man, they show better pictures of that stuff. That's what I do anyway. Vanguard 18 horsepower. I don't remember the year of it, but I know she's old. This one's got a blown engine. I think a rod's let go. Got to do an engine swap on it. It's hard to see the wiring and stuff. Maybe you can pause on the screen, you need something fixed or a belt while you're about a belt. You get the bar in the picture. Makes sense. And that belt number is 150E13. That's a small number. 381 964 DF. Transaxle filter PT number 100-850. And that one belt in the back says 0910. So they're probably the same, because they look the same. This engine turns over, but no valves move, but no compression. So I figure the connecting rods let go. Got to edit that noise out for busting my eardrums. Maybe I should leave that in or not. Lift the lid. I hear you. Got the belt routed. Bought this from a person. Said there's mowing. Just stopped. I just crank it over. Don't hear no rod knock or nothing. So, but if I take the engine apart or not. I just know these things weigh a ton. And this deck here has got a quick release, so you can take it off. And I can't see the tire size, in case you're wondering. The Carlisles. And it's worn away, you can't see nothing. .21 by 11. 8. Is it back size? Well, if this is helpful at all, leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching.